By the end of this video, you'll learn all about the market structure and the tools recommended for trading.
So una, sideways or ranging or consolidation, it's the same thing. So there is no clear direction and the price is moving between a high price and a low price. We call this the market is resting or the market is in balance. Buyers and sellers are in balance and waiting. So, we see the sideways like this. Pwede siyang umangat, tapos here, and then parang there's an increased volatility, okay, magwa-widen yung range, but it is still within the box. So, ayun, the price ceiling and then the price floor. This is sideways. On the other hand, paano mo naman masasabi yung ranging or sideways market? Visually clear na the price is just bouncing off a high price and a low price. You make sure na the prices are being touched ba. The more prices it touch, then the better the zone is. You can use it like this. Pwede nyong ganyan or instead of using the line, you can use the zone naman. Okay, so ito, nag-touch pa rin siya dito sa zone. Ito, zone, konti lang siya bumagsak and then the zone here. Sa taas naman, if you want to use the zone as well, we can now see na it's very clear no that it's just bouncing off. So this is a sideways market. You can use Bollinger Bands actually soon. Okay, Bollinger Bands. If the band is parang constricting, that means it's in a sideways market. Parang they're getting closer to each other. But when it's widening, they are far apart, then it's in a trending market. So you can see that, okay? You can also use Bollinger Bands to identify if trending or ranging market ba. Tapos, we would also go to a trending market. So how can we know that the market is trending? Moving in one direction, up or down. So for example, we start with an uptrend. When the market is showing a series of higher highs and higher lows. High, higher high, higher high, higher high. And then you also have a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then probably the low would also be here. When the price is oriented this way, then we can say it's an uptrend. It's moving up. It's in a direction upwards. And we can also look at the other side, okay, it's a downtrend if, ayun, pumabagsak din siya. Lower, high, lower, high, lower, high. Tapos, ito naman, this is low, lower, low, lower, low. So, easily and visually, makikita naman natin sila, okay, bumabagsak siya. So, there are actually tools to spot if the market is trending. Una, you can get the trend line or the trend channel. Hanapin nyo ito, trend line. So, how do you put that? If it's in an uptrend, you connect the lows from the next low. Swing low to the next swing low. You can also use the parallel channel. It's the same thing, but it is now predictive of the high range. For example, that and then go up. Okay. So more or less, pumasok na siya within that channel. You can also see that whenever it hits this, parang nagiging dynamic resistance sa taas and then dynamic support sa baba. That's how you spot the trend line. Then you can also use the moving average. If the price is above the moving average, then it's in an uptrend. Kung nasa baba naman siya, then it's in a downtrend. So it's now become very visual if the market is uptrend or in a downtrend. Questions, guys? Or okay pa naman so far?